Hi there, my name is Osama Mahmood and my group partner name is Hamza Altaf. We have developed a system which is known as Upscale Littles being supervised by Mehma Shahsen Khan. Let me directly demonstrate the feature comparison of Upscale Little. Why Upscale Little? We offer personalization courses recommendation based on our chatbot modules. Personalization is basically behaving as per needs of a user request one fit for all approach. Secondly, our chatbot offer recommendation based on whatever keyword chosen. Career focus based proficiency level of a user, whether it is basic, intermediate, or advanced. Powered career guidelines provide a better career decision making. For sequential learning, we offer user to focus upon and cannot skip our learning and assessment modules with a straight path. Adopted learning. It allows us to create more personalized and effective learning experience. Enable learners. Allow students to empower to take the ownership of their own education. Further, I will demonstrate the usability of Upscale Little. Let's dive into the landing page of our website Upscale Littles. So we can search course by its name or by the categories being mentioned on our website already. Discover course section shows all the courses that been listed on our website. Similarly, the instructor who had signed up will be shown in Explore Instructor section. We have the footer bar which will navigate you to the any category or navigation page you want. Here is our About section. Similarly, we have built the terms and services and privacy page as well as the sign in sign up page. Let's explore the instructor module. I will add the password sign in. So here all the users who have enrolled the courses will be shown with the total number of courses that have been created by the instructor. Let us dive into the courses section to add a new course. I have filled all the required details for course. So now we are going to add that course. We also added the keyword that will be useful in chatbot. So our new course, Web Design 101 free full course will be created now. Now we could add the lectures. I have added 3 of the lectures of that course. Now we can even add a new lecture, delete that lecture, or we can even edit it. So if I click on add button, this will show up the quiz option that we could take the quiz after any lecture. So you can even choose the correct option. You can even choose multiple correct options and negative and marks for that question if the student mark it correct. Further, we have user section where we will show up all the payments that have been received from the user who have enrolled the courses. And in the account section, we have our billing details where student will send out the amount to enroll that course. Let's dive into the student module. I have logged in as a student, so now I am going to purchase a course or enroll in it. So we are going to add our payment screenshot, which is going to be the transaction that we have performed. So when you save it, so the verifying for payment the option will be shown. So now we can verify the payment from the instructor panel. So here we saw the screenshot that been added by the user for that course. So we can verify it, and now the student will able to view all the lectures. So here you can see the lectures are unlocked. All the lectures are not displaying because it's a sequential learning. So when you complete that lecture, the lecture 2 will be appear. Similarly, in the same passion, lecture 3 will be appear. Let me watch all the videos and I will get back. Congratulations, you have watched all the videos. Dialog box has been appeared. So now the student can watch any lecture again by opening it. Student can also give the feedback to the instructor. So it will be appeared on our landing page as well. So if we go to home, once we get back to our landing page, here the instructor ratings of that course being appeared. Now if we click back to our dashboard, we can see all the purchased courses and we can view them anytime and watch the lectures we want to. Further, our last modules is Chatbot that recommend the courses. Let me tap hi. So any keyword that I have entered, it will suggest me the course. So these two courses appear, which is already available on our website. So this course may have 5 lectures. So we can click it and we could reach to that course. In this way, you can buy that course as well. That's it. This is the demonstration of front end of our website. Further, Hamza will explain the backend functionalities.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hamza Altaf and I will explain some of major functionalities of our projects. So let's move on to our front-end controller. This class seems to be a controller responsible for various actions related to front-end functionality, including managing categories, user dashboards, lecture viewing, payment screenshots, saving lecture watch status, saving user quiz marks, and saving user ratings. The code begins with by a PHP namespace app HTTP controller frontend and imports various classes and dependencies. It extends the base Laravel controller class and uses a trait name category. The create method displays the form of creating a new resource. It retrieves category data using the category JSON method from the category trait and passes it to create view along with the category. The store method handles the store of newly created resources based on the data provided in the request object. It uses the add book method to perform the storage and then redirect to the user dashboard with a success message. The dashboard method displays the user dashboard. It retrieves currently authenticated user and then retrieves the courses associated with that user. It returns the dashboard view with the retrieved courses. The view lecture method displays a specific lecture. It retrieves information about the lecture and related data for specific courses and checking if the user has watched any lecture, it returns the lecture view with the retrieved data. The upload payment screenshot method handles the uploading of payment screenshot for a lecture. It retrieves the lecture associated with the course ID, validates the request data, and creates a new user course instance. Saves the payment screenshot and redirect to the view lecture route with a success message, as you can see here. The save lecture watch method saves information about watch lecture for a user. If watched, it does nothing. Else, if not watched, it creates a new user lecture instance and saves the information. It returns a JSON response indicating that information has saved successfully. The save user course marks. The save user course marks method save users quiz marks for specific lectures. It checks if the user has already answered this quiz question for the lecture. If answers, it does nothing. If not answered, it creates a new user quiz instance and saves the information. It returns a JSON response indicating that the information has been saved. And at the last, save user rating method. The save user rating method saves user rating method for an instructor and course. It checks if the user has already rated the instructor for the course. If rated, it returns a JSON response indicated that the rating has already been saved. If not, then it returns a JSON response indicating that if not rated, it creates a new instructor rating instance and saves the new rating. It returns a JSON response indicating that the rating has been successfully saved. We have made a separate controller for our botman for our chatbot. This PHP code defines a botman controller and a conversation. Botman is basically a PHP framework for building chatbots. Let's break down the code. This controller defines a handle method which is executed when the botman webhook is called inside the handle method. Botman listens for the command hi. When the hi command is received, it starts a new instance of a category conversation, as you can see here. Okay, this conversation class extends botman conversation class and defines the flow of conversation. We start with the run method, which asks the user to enter a keyword. The enter keyword is passed to show course based on category method, which retrieves courses related to the enter keyword from the database and displays them. This is basically the please enter a keyword to search for course, and it was searched in the show categories and what's displayed to the user. Inside the chatbot, you can say, or a botman. Thank you.